Your peace is being restored because you've stood the test of time. You've loved correctly. You gave it your all, and you did not fail. You succeeded because you remained you, even when it was hard, even when you were subject to trials and errors and turbulation of projections. You stood true to you. It wasn't easy. It was not easy. But you did it. Yes, you, Christina, you did it. You stood true to your calling. You stood true to your mission. You remained in your anointing, even when others didn't understand how you moved. You were doing it with pure intentions, by the grace of God and the ways of your ancestors to create change in every heart, in every mind, in every space. You are the opening. You are the opening. You are the light in the dark. You are the love in the pain. You are the peace in the storm. And soon, all will see, all will feel, and all will know because of your willingness to stand in places and spaces that you did not have to, but you willingly chose to, for the betterment of humanity, for the clear understanding of self, to show the way. You had to get in the way to open up hearts, minds, spirits, souls to an energy of remembrance by leading by example, by not backing down when it was hard, by not wavering in your faith, by trusting God no matter what was trying to tempt you, trusting God no matter what was trying to shake you. You couldn't be shaken from your anointing, from your knowing, from your abilities. You moved accordingly, divine orchestrated. Divine, divine, divine. Because you are the divination. And you come into spaces that invoke you. They invoke you. And you are an attunement to the field. You are an attunement. Your temple is truth, and every deceptive lie that has kept people in bondage, your presence, your sound, your elements, your vibration, it clears the way. It clears the debris. It clears the density. It clears the lies in hearts, in minds, in souls that have been stuck in repeated patterns and behaviors that are not for their highest good. When you show up, God is with you. And we stay the course. You make ways. You are the rays of light. Your light, God's energy, because it's energy, limitless energy of knowing, moves mountains, crushes deception at the root for the good of all. That's what you do. That's your purpose. That is your mantle. Truth and justice for all. Even when it's hard, even when it hurts, even when some still can't see and understand. The tuning that your presence does is evolutionary. Humbly you move. Gracefully you attend to. Causing eruptions. Eruptions in old paradigms that have to shift if willing. Because the willpower is everybody's. And so, know this. You are always making a difference. You are always creating change for the better. And eyes will see, and ears will hear. And fear will dissipate, and love will be fully active. Love for thyself. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Grateful, humble, and always kind. Always moving with intention. Always moving with love. Always, 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 always. Atonement. Reciprocity. Blessings to all.